EIG500 X-ray inspection equipment was designed and produced for the manufacturers such as Shoes and Hats Factory, Garment Factory, Leather Factory, and so on. Using the radiation imaging technique as the core and foundation, East Image redesigned and renewed the software and the equipment's functions. EIG500 can set up the accounts and the administrative permissions based on the customer's needs. According to the ergonomics theory, conveyor's rotational speed has been improving from 0.2 meters per second to 0.3 meters per second. This change can improve the efficiency of object inspection, saving a lot of time. The unique image scrolling displays technique researched by East Image enables the G500 to completely display the package scanning process on the screen. This would benefit the operator to quickly and precisely control the package's internal situation. The label and image's content can be adjusted based on the customer's needs. The package's image will be saved as JPEG format automatically and also can be largely reduced through the internet or USB. East Image employs 4 layers of lead curtain for the G500's tunnel, which can not only prevent the X-ray leakage situation, but also protect the users and environment from radiation. During the operating process, the leaking amount remained at a minimum level which perfectly conforms to the national security standard. The leakage amount is almost equal to the radiation dose in the natural environment. The package's image is clear, and the operator can easily find the needle in the box and remove it without too much effort. The function of the one-key shutdown is convenient and efficient. At the same time, this function can also help the operator to prevent the wrong shutdown process, which may damage the equipment. EIG500, a wise choice for you.